Have you ever imagined a future where machines don't just work for us, but work with us, understanding our emotions, reading our body language, and responding not with cold calculations but with warmth, presence, and personality? That future came a little closer the day Pepper was introduced to the world. Not just another robot, Pepper was created with a bold purpose: to understand humans emotionally, to respond with empathy, and to bridge the gap between artificial intelligence and human connection. Pepper was brought to life through a groundbreaking collaboration between SoftBank Robotics in Japan and Aldebaran Robotics, a French robotics company known for its early humanoid robot, Now. Aldebaran laid the engineering foundation, developing Pepper's hardware and control systems, while SoftBank brought the vision to deploy it at scale in homes, schools, stores, and hospitals. Their combined efforts led to a robot that wasn't just designed to perform tasks, but to interact meaningfully with people. The project took several years of research and testing before it was officially unveiled in Tokyo in June 2014. Pepper's launch made headlines around the world, not just for what it could do, but for what it represented: the first robot designed specifically to read and respond to human emotions. Standing at about 1.2 meters tall, Pepper has a friendly, childlike presence with a smooth white body, big expressive eyes, and a tablet on its chest for visual interaction. It weighs around 28 kilograms and can move using a base with omnidirectional wheels, allowing it to navigate freely in indoor spaces. Pepper is equipped with a rich suite of features: a 10.1-inch touch display, HD cameras, a 3D depth sensor, 4 microphones, infrared sensors, sonar, gyroscopes, and touch sensors embedded in its head and hands. These allow Pepper to see, hear, feel, and interpret its surroundings in real time. The robot's body is made primarily from lightweight plastic composites, carefully designed for both aesthetics and function. Inside, Pepper is powered by 20 actuators across its limbs and torso, enabling it to move its head, arms, and hands in natural, human-like gestures. These movements aren't just mechanical, they're expressive. Every tilt of the head or wave of the hand is calculated to match the emotional context of the conversation. So, how does Pepper actually work? At the heart of its functionality is a sophisticated integration of AI, sensors, actuators, and cloud-based processing. It runs on Nauchi, a custom operating system that controls everything from voice recognition and facial detection to motion planning and dialogue interaction. Pepper uses its onboard cameras and microphones to recognize faces and voices, track eye contact, and detect the emotional tone of speech. Its emotion recognition engine analyzes facial expressions, voice pitch, and speech patterns to determine if someone is happy, sad, angry, or surprised. Based on this, Pepper chooses an appropriate response, whether that's offering a cheerful joke, adjusting its tone, or even suggesting help. Pepper isn't just reactive, it's proactive. It can initiate conversations, dance, tell stories, and even give presentations. Developers can program custom applications for it using its open SDK, making it versatile for use in education, retail, healthcare, and research. Thanks to its cloud connectivity, Pepper can access updates, share experiences across multiple units, and continuously improve its interactions over time. Now let's talk numbers. When Pepper was first made available to the public in 2015, its base price in Japan was set at 198,000 yen, which translated to about $1,900 USD. However, this didn't include service fees, cloud subscriptions, or maintenance, which often brought the real-world cost closer to $20,000, $30,000, especially for business or research use. While this might seem steep, for companies looking to pioneer human-robot interaction, Pepper offered a unique and futuristic edge. Pepper's origin is truly international: French-designed, Japanese-engineered, and globally marketed. Its development reflects a merging of cultures, technologies, and ambitions, drawing from Europe's strength in robotics research and Japan's long-standing fascination with humanoid machines. But what truly makes Pepper significant is its potential for the future. As the global population ages, Pepper and robots like it could become vital companions for the elderly, offering emotional support, medication reminders, and even emergency alerts. In classrooms, Pepper can be a tool to teach coding, communication, and robotics. In hospitals, it can guide patients, reduce stress, and even assist in therapies. It represents a step toward machines that can coexist with us, not just serve us, but relate to us. There are also some lesser-known and fascinating facts about Pepper. For one, each Pepper unit includes behavioral restrictions in its user agreement, explicitly banning offensive or sexual use, reflecting its role as a social being rather than an object. Despite its promise, Pepper's journey hasn't been without hurdles. In 2021, SoftBank paused production after facing lower than expected demand, though development support and research use continued. Some users found Pepper's speech recognition challenging in noisy environments, and others noted limited autonomy in complex tasks. However, its role in pushing the boundaries of social robotics remains uncontested. Looking ahead, Pepper's descendants could be more capable, more autonomous, and more deeply integrated into everyday life. Imagine a version with advanced AI processors, robotic arms capable of manipulation, better mobility, and deeper emotional intelligence. It could assist in homes, connect remotely with family, or even act as a mental health support companion. As AI models evolve and integrate with robotics, we're approaching a future where Pepper won't just understand what we say, but how we feel when we say it, and how to respond in a way that truly connects. In the end, Pepper isn't just a machine, it's a glimpse into what it means for technology to meet us halfway. To not just serve commands, but to recognize emotions. To not just work for us, but to work with us. It is a reminder that the future of robotics isn't about replacing humans, it's about enhancing the way we live, communicate, and care for one another.